Oh, there it goes. Today I had some red-winged blackbirds at my feeder, and they flew off.
They didn't notice me. Oh, there's still one in the tree.
Yeah, I'm picturing it. So cool.
Oh, now there's two in the tree.
Maybe they'll come back. I mean, I see this one. Maybe they'll come closer so I can get a picture.
Oh.
So this is a red-winged blackbird.
They're gorgeous.
Oh, it flew away.
They're in the neighbor's tree.
Oh, okay. Well, here's a finch. He's pretty, right? And then what's that next to him? A mockingbird?
It's a baby bird.
A baby bird. A baby mocker. Oh, they know we're here, huh?
Baby bird's confused.
Come back, blackbirds. Oh, it's got. Oh, it dropped a peanut. It had the peanut.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. I see a dove hiding down there. There he is. He's just underneath there. Oh. And there's the finch again.
I thought it flew off the other direction.
Maybe it's a different one.
Or maybe it flew around the house and came back.
There's several of them, so it could be a different one or the same one. Well, here comes the red-winged blackbird back again. Pretty cute.